In this video, I will show you how to see YouTube Live subscriber count. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile picture, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. What that's going to do is take you across to your studio. From here, what you want to do is come to the left hand side, and in this menu you want to click onto Analytics. So it's going to show you information about your channel, such as your views, subscribers and things like that. Now if you actually come over to the right hand side to the real time section, underneath your subscribers here, you're going to see a button which says See Live Count. You give this a click, this is going to bring up a screen like this, and it's going to show you a live count of your subscribers. So you'll be able to see exactly when your subs go up and down and things like that. As you can see in the top left hand corner, it says updating live, so this is a live count of your subscribers on YouTube. So that is how to see YouTube Live subscriber count. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.